Hello guys, this is Sign Language Interpreter team. Our project is Sign Language Interpreter for Indian Sign Language. Linguistic studies on ISL have found it to be natural language having its own morphology, syntax and grammar. Since people with hearing or speech impairment cannot talk like rest of the people, so they have to depend on some sort of visual communication. Thus, the project has a vast scope in bridging the gap between the deaf-mute community and rest of the society. The development team includes Rohit Sembal, Saurabh and Shivam Arora from Thapar University, Patiala under the mentorship of Dr. Pratik Bhatia. So, the project is a computer vision based gesture recognition system to interpret different gestures for Indian Sign Language. The scope of the project is to make an efficient system for easy interaction among people using verbal form of communication and the people with impaired hearing or speech capabilities. Objectives are collection and development of dataset for computer vision based gesture recognition system, to implement several image pre-processing techniques for the purpose of data cleaning, data standardization, relevance analysis, data transformation, data augmentation and object segmentation, to develop a human-computer interaction-based interface for recognition of various gestures including modules such as conversion of gestures to text and text to speech. Existing solutions include glove-based or motion sensor based or the use of a human assembler to communicate effectively between deaf-mute people and the rest of the society. But our solution proposes a computer vision based system which can predict the static sign language signs accurately and also perform reliably on the most commonly used computing hardware. Tools and platform used were Linux, Python, NumPy, CUDA, CUDNN, TensorFlow and others. The architecture was trained on Keras library. The system architecture includes live video feed which analyzes the video feed coming from the Kinect, and then skeletal tracking through Kinect module gives the coordinates of the different joints of the body. Out of those coordinates we get the coordinates of hand, and which are used for segmentation and extraction of hands from the background frame. Then the CNN classifier is trained on those hand images and also is used to predict those images to the corresponding labels. Our classes include 26 letters of the English alphabet. The word generator modules cleans the character stream coming from the CNN classifier and uses the clean character stream to identify meaningful words of English in that character stream. And finally, the text-to-speech engine speaks the word to provide audio feedback to the user. This is the flowchart of our data flow diagram of our project. As I have described earlier, live video feed, then skeletal tracking, then data acquisition if required and stored in the data store. We are storing RGB plus depth images from the Kinect, and this is our training convolution neural network step, and then it's data cleaning, word generation and text to speech synthesizer. We have used Kinect Sensor version 2 for Windows, i.e. Xbox One for our system. This Kinect sensor gives us infrared maps, body segmented body boundary RGB image plus depth map. The use of these maps, we are able to use Pygame module for skeletal tracking, which can work effectively work in night also due to the presence of infrared. Now these hand segmented images are used to collect dataset. Now in a real-time working system, these hand segmented images are classified by the CNN classifier. CNN classifier, we have used this architecture for our CNN based classifier, and the results are very encouraging. As you can see, we are getting high precision recall and F1 score for almost all the category and class labels. These are some feature maps obtained after first or second layer of convolution operators applied to the input image. As we go far and far deeper into the network, this network starts to recognize and identify higher level hierarchies, which effectively is used to predict the corresponding label. The training versus validation loss and accuracy curves are shown. This is our confusion matrix, and as you can see, the darker shades corresponding to the high F1 score, and our network is able to perform effectively well even after training just 11 epochs. This is our real-time working module, which identify the character stream, and then the clean character stream is passed to the word generator, and the word generator identifies the words. Now this is our working module, real-time working module of our project.
Hi user, good to have you here. This is me, Sign Language Interpreter. I will try to interpret your gestures with some advanced algorithms working at my back.
Hi user, I am your assistant SLI. I will tell you what characters being interpreted in real time. B A D C A D D A D B E
5.
D A E
At
D D D E A
D
D D A
Det